Let us now try to solve exponential equations with radical exponents. Well, the method will be to rewrite the powers with the same base and then solve the equations, right? So that is what we are going to do. So first question is 2 to the power of x over 3 equals to 1 over 8. So I have to write 1 over 8 as 2 to the power of something, right? So first step could be 8 could be written as 8 to the power of minus 1, and then we can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So we can do like that also, right? So let's do it. So we have 2 to the power of x over 3 equals 2. We can write this as 1 over 2 to the power of 3 as first step, right? 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And in the next step, we can say 2 to the power of x over 3 is equals to 2 to the power of minus 3. Since this is in the denominator, so it kind of flips, right? So it's a reciprocal, 2 to the power of minus 3. Now we can equate the exponents. They have the same base. We get x over 3 equals to minus 3. And from here, what is x? X is equals to minus 3 times 3, which is minus 9. So that is our answer for the given question. Next one is 9 to the power of x over 5. Now how can you write 27 with the base of 9? That's kind of very tricky, right? So what we can do in this case is we can write both of them to the base of 3, right? So that is the strategy which we are going to follow in this particular question, right? Now 9 is 3 square, correct? So we can write 9 as 3 square and then to the power of x over 5. Do you understand? So what we did is, since we can't really write directly 27 as 9 to the power of something, we wrote it as 3 to the power of 3. Do you see that part? So that's kind of very tricky thing here and important to understand. So now we have base as 3. So we changed base of both left side and right side. Now let's apply the laws of exponents and rewrite left side as it becomes 2x over 5. Do you understand that part? And on the right side we have 3 cubed. Now we have the same base of 3 and we can equate the exponents. So we have 2x over 5 equals to 3, and so x is equals to 3 times 5 over 2, rather 15 over 2. So that is the solution for us. So that's kind of tricky. Go through it once again and then understand what we really did, right? Now this one is quite simple, straight away done for you. We already have the same base, so what we need to do is equate their exponents, right, to solve the equation. So we can say 3x plus 2 over 2, 3x plus 2 over 2 is equals to 4, right? Since the base was same, we are just equating their exponents. So 3x plus 2 divided by 2 is equals to 4, the exponent 4, right? So we equated these parts. Now we can solve. We can get 3x plus 2 equals to, multiply both sides by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. Now take away 2, you get 3x equals to 8 take away 2, which is 6. And now divide by 3. So we get x equals to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So our solution is x equals to 2 in this particular case. I hope you understand and appreciate the method. So method is, let's start from here. Method is to make the same basis. When the bases are same, compare the exponents. And then you get an equation, solve the equation to get your answer, right? Now in this case, it was very difficult to write 27 as 9 to the power of something. So we decided to write both as base of 3 to the power of something. Do you see that? So that helped us to equate left side and right side with 3 as the base, and then equate the exponents to get the solution. First one, 8 is 2 to the power of 3. Since it is in the denominator, you can write this as 2 to the power of minus 3. And then write x over 3 equals to minus 3 and solve for x. So these three are very important and critical questions which are telling you where are we going next. So all the next videos are now at this level. So at times we may have to change base on both the sides, and we may have rational functions as the exponents. So these are the type of examples which we are now going to do. Thank you and all the best.